Till now, whoever lost the election, it is the basic tradition to complain on the election commission and the behavior of the election commission at the time of elections, as well as complaining on EVM tampering and all. These arguments may be valid or not, but there is a clear gap from the opposition parties in the appointment of Chief Election Commissioner. The reason for this is that the appointment of the Chief Election Commissioner of India and other election commissioners is entirely in the hands of central government. The President of India appoints the Chief Election Commissioner on the advice of Prime Minister, which is Council of Ministers. As the opposition, whoever it is at that time, always comments on the duties of the Election Commission during elections. Appeal has been filed in the Supreme Court for the same. On Thursday, March 2nd, a 5-judge Constitution bench of the Supreme Court unanimously ruled that the Chief Election Commissioner and election commissions must be appointed by High Power Committee comprised of Prime Minister, Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha, and the Chief Justice of India. The Supreme Court stated that a 5-judge bench led by Justice K.M. Joseph noted lacuna in the process of appointment of poll panel under the Article 324 of the Constitution, saying that the EC should remain aloof from all sort of interference by the executive. A vulnerable EC would result in insidious situation, the bench said, adding democracy can succeed only if all stakeholders work on to maintain purity of the election process to reflect the will of the people. A person in the state of obligation to the state cannot have an independent frame of mind, the bench added. I think this is one of the finest judgments because it opens up the doors for a new era in the election process in our country. There can be no other way for the great transparency than a panel of Prime Minister, Leader of Opposition, and the Chief Justice of India.